lag spikes in Call of Duty can disrupt your gaming experience, but there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your connection. Follow these steps to reduce lag and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background on your device. Programs that use bandwidth, such as streaming services or downloads, can cause lag during gameplay. Make sure to exit these applications before starting the game. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to low graphics quality, which can help improve performance. Reducing settings like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing can lessen the load on your system and reduce lag spikes. Step 4. Change server region. If you are experiencing lag, try switching to a different server region in the game settings. Connecting to a server that is geographically closer to you can reduce latency and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 5. Update network drivers and game. Make sure your network drivers in the game itself are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues, and game updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help reduce lag. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with fewer lag spikes. Enjoy your game.